Welcome to this instruction video on DuoSoft field, and in this video I'll be demonstrating to you how to export an activity log from DuoSoft field. So what the activity log does is it logs every aspect of a job after when you start the program DuoSoft field. If you create a job, any data you have imported, when you started using a function in DuoSoft field, and when you closed off, which files you imported data from, and things like that. So it makes it easier to track down information about a job if you currently maybe you misplaced some data, or you made a mistake in a project and you'd like to check what data you used so that you can rectify it. So let's start up DuoSoft field. Okay, so as usual, when you start up DuoSoft field, I'm going to put in a username. Okay, from the previous job I was using that username, so I'm still going to use that, and I'm going to select the job, to go into the job menu. So I was working on this job here, so this is the same job that I'll be using for this demonstration. So doing this export is a very short process and it doesn't take a lot of time, so it will go very quick. So I'm just going to accept this job, so I'm going to select OK. So from the job tasks, I'm going to select reports, imports, export, because I want to export the activity log. Okay, so when I come to the reports, imports, exports page, okay, we've got import from job profile leveling, as built, import, export. That's the one we want to export. So I'm going to select exports. From the export options, see, we've got a number of options: leveling report, export, profile leveling report, as built report. But the one we are looking for is this one, the activity log. So I'm going to select activity log. Okay, so now I'm going to be exporting this activity log in a CSV file format. So I have to select this button here that says CSV file, give my CSV file a name, and after that, that's when I'll be able to export. So I'm going to select CSV file. Okay, so what I need to do is I just have to put in a name for that activity log file that I'm exporting. So I'm going to call it, okay, say log. Log, let's see, maybe I give it a date, 01/06/2020. Okay, so that is the name of the file that I'm going to export, the log, and that's the file that the activity log will be exported as. I'm going to select OK. Okay, so there it is. So it just shows you that this file is going to be exported to my external storage device, and this is the file name. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to select export, and the activity log is exported just like that. Okay, so I'm going to bring up a CSV file of an activity log that I have exported before. Okay, so let me just bring that up. Okay, so there it is. So let me just make this wider. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at, okay, this date, the 29th was a Friday. So if you look there, on the 29th, I started the program at 11:38. I went to the main menu, the username I used for that job. I went to the job menu. On the job tasks menu, I was using this job, Smithfield Batters. I went to the leveling menu, still the same job. Did some profile leveling. I went to the profile leveling menu. I did profile leveling. Okay. I went to the as-built leveling menu, still on the same job, as-built batters, as-built leveling run. Okay, I closed the program and I started it up again at 11:44. So this is an easy way to track down what you have done in a job. Okay. You can also, if you look here, this is showing me when I was importing data. So I want to import PS from PID, and I imported data from SD card, on the pictures folder, testing data. The file folder name was called PR3 and PID. So I imported this file here, 42-9-43.55 PID. That's what I used for my horizontal alignment. And I also imported in a PR3 file, control points file. So it shows me all the data that I've imported, as well as when a job was created and what was done on that job. Okay, so this is a very useful way for checking what information you used when and when that information was saved. So that, in short, is how you export an activity log and what information is contained in the activity log file. Okay, thank you.